Is a Baca. Is a person's way of thinking more strongly influenced by education or general society? Strongly influenced by educations or general society. General society means what? Orang punya circle or I think both. Maybe. Ay. Okay, thank you. Bye. Apa ni? Mau bagi reason kah? Why both? Education